Hello guys, today we're gonna play Call of Duty. This is not first time. Please like and subscribe. I'm not better like I'm better at Call of Duty.
Pero sa kami-dami, binabarin pa niya ako. Malaking bagay sa. Ingay mo rin.
Ang pangit na rin.
Pangit mo rin.
Chimpanzee ni Bananini ka rin.
Di ba banini ka rin?
Tung sahur ka rin.
Tungkong sa pa rin.
Dahil naman naman yan. Naman na. Naman ni ikaw.
Ganda natin naiyak ka bang
Kuchom.
dito sa rayon?
Nini kuchom.
Enemy in sight.
Aray ko magalaw.
Yes, so. Someday, Tito po
Magalaw
pipaan.
yun.
Highly, you become one day. Just about we sensei. Yeah. Fuck. What if I do that?
Niya ako na yun.
Be
Pinatay
quiet.
niya ako kanina.
Did I want to stream because it licks my face? I don't want to stream because it licks my face. I don't wanna. Shut.
Blah, 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 blah. You just said slowly.
Book.
Contact with enemy.
One shot, one kill. No scope, one kill. You do it. Bro. Noksingan. Bro, what the f...
Ikaw nalalulit kami!
Enta. Bro, dito. Come here. Where are you? Just come now. Oop. Diba? Instant karma. Yeah, that's it. Ganun. Kali ko meron akong RPG. Ano to? Rivals.
Takot sa? Takot?
Damas. minutes na. Lipit tuloy tayo. Ay, this with the video.